Hello beautiful people and welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to be trying a new art form and that is diamond painting. And not just that, I'm also going to be testing out an art kit because I have this diamond painting art kit. I got this kit from the Itsy Bitsy store. Nowadays there are a lot of diamond painting kits available in a lot of places, but most of them are such huge sizes. I was like, I don't know where I'm going to hang them, how to store them. So I wanted something small and manageable size for my first time, and this is a manageable size. So this is 15 x 15 centimeters. The painting is of a playful cat and it is age 6+, which is good because I'm 6+. All the tools needed are included in this pack, so I hope I don't have to get anything else. Also, it's titled 5D diamond painting. I mean, what is the fifth dimension? I thought it's 3D painting, right? I don't know how this makes it to the fifth dimension, but I guess we are doing it. Anyway, these are the things that are in the kit and let's unbox it. So this is the sticky surface that we're going to be painting on. It's little bended in some places. I hope that doesn't become a problem. I guess these are all our other materials. Let's open them. So much more plastic. These are all our diamonds and it's color coded, which is good. Okay, this is the main tool. This is the pen that we're going to be using. This is only single one. I have seen 4 or 3 horizontal ones together so that you can place multiple diamonds at once. But I guess this works too. And this red square, I don't know what it is, and a tray to put all our diamonds in. It has all these steps in the back, which is a good thing, but I still don't know how to use this wax thingy. Let me come back. So I just went and watched one YouTube video about diamond painting and I guess I can handle it now. If that's not the DIY spirit, I don't know what is. Actually, the most confusing part was how to load up this pen with this wax. Let's give it a try. I opened the plastic covering and I have to press into this wax and it will come into the pen itself. What? And it somehow happened. Oh my god. Can you see the red dot inside this pen? That is the wax inside the pen. I can't believe it worked. The steps mentioned in this kit says to peel off the whole plastic covering, but I don't think it's a good idea to peel the whole plastic covering off at once. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to finish this whole thing in a day and it's all going to be sticky and dust is going to be stuck on this. I think I'm going to be smart about this and only cut some of the parts that I'm going to be working on right now. So I'm using a scissor for it. As you can see, I only cut off the top part for now, so let's get started. I'll be starting with the background first, so pouring only the green diamonds for now. I have seen people shake this tray to get all the diamonds facing up. I don't know if it's working that well though. And we are finally starting, placing one diamond at a time. And I feel like I'm not placing it in a proper line. Guys, there's still a learning curve, okay? And I'm also struggling to film this. My hand is coming in between. I'm so sorry, it gets better, okay? And I'm also making an easy DIY cardboard frame for this painting. See that at the end, okay? I found that if I place the diamond a little bit out of line, I can still push it and it's still okay. I mean, the surface is very sticky, but you can still move around a little bit. I am not even halfway done with this line and I find that the wax is going inside more and more and it's not like that sticky because it went even deeper. Maybe I have to reload it many times. I don't know how this works, you guys. I feel like I don't know what is the correct way of doing this. Should I go like horizontal way and cover everything like that, or should I do section by section so that finish the background first then do all the other colors? I don't know what is the correct method to follow, which is going to be easier. I'm just going to wing it and see what happens. For starting, I'm doing the horizontal line first and trying to get the hang of it. I'm just done with one horizontal line and the wax is not really sticking anymore. The wax has gone deeper into the pen and it's just not sticking. Yeah, I'm going to have to reload. I don't know how many times I have to do that. That is going to be annoying. I'm just focusing on the background right now and this is exactly as I expected it to be. This art medium requires a lot of time and patience, especially when you're doing it in a single pen like this. There are other diamond painting pens that are more wider, so you can pick up more diamonds at once, so you can cover more area, but even then it's going to take a good amount of time. So just a warning, if you're interested in trying out this art form, yes, please do try it. It just takes a lot of time. Guys, a new color has entered the painting. I'm starting with white diamonds for the outline of the cat. It was a little bit easier painting with just one color diamonds. Now I have to alternate between multiple colors. Two more new colors have entered and I'm still struggling to paint it in a straight line. Is it just a me problem or does everybody struggle with it? Okay, another thing I noticed along with not having a wider pen, it's with the span where we place our diamonds. When we have to alternate between multiple colors, I think it will be more useful to have a wider tray or even multiple trays so you can keep everything separated and clean. In this kit I have one small tray, so I have divided it, like the top part one color, the bottom another. It's not really a great system, but it's working somehow. Hello again, and this is day 2 of my diamond painting experience, and this is the progress I've done on day 1. I'm happy with how it looks, and the diamonds look so pretty when the light hits them. And I think I made a good decision of not peeling off all of the plastic because I could store it easily without worrying of something getting stuck on this surface. So highly recommend this idea. Also, this is how I had stored all the diamonds. Since I had opened some of the packets, I was worrying that it would spill and all the colors would mix up. So I just folded each of the packets tightly and put it in this packet that is part of this packaging itself and tightly stored it. And happy to report that no diamonds spilled, so this is good too. This is how I am dividing the tray for all the different colors. It's an okay system. Let's get started on day 2. I will just talk a little bit about my experience with diamond painting. I truly think this hobby is an exercise in patience. This is one of those hobbies that will force you to slow down. If you want a hobby that gives you fast results, this is not it. But if you want something to relax, to wind down in your weekends or the end of your day, this is a great hobby to pick up. Everything nowadays is so fast paced and we are forced to move from one thing to another in like seconds. And I feel like when we get overstimulated or anxious and we want something that is like screen free, but we also want to keep our hands busy. I'm like that. I always want to be doing something even on the weekends, and I have so many hobbies and art forms that I keep on trying. So if you're having one of those days where you want to relax but you also want to do something creative, try diamond painting. If you think it looks easy, it kind of is. You basically have a pattern and a set of colors and you just have to follow it, right? Place one diamond after the other as per the pattern and just keep going. In this art form, you don't have to overthink anything. It just flows easily. If you want a creative hobby or a new art form that you want to try that is like relaxing and chill and also screen free, I think diamond painting is a great choice. In saying that, I also will admit that I sort of stressed myself a little bit because I wanted to finish this in 2 days. Spoiler alert, I didn't. But this is a very relaxing and chill hobby and I really want to do it again. Also, I think this is also a fun hobby that you can do with your friends. Again, because this is easy and we can just do it together while chatting. I don't know, these are my ideas. Tell me what you think. As I said, I love trying new art mediums and art forms and learning something new. If you want me to try out any other art forms, please let me know. And also please subscribe, it really helps boost my morale. And I'm working on growing this channel from some time because art is really something that I love and I think it can bring people together. I hope that happens. So please join this community and let's make it something good. You guys. I was like racing against the clock trying to finish this today, and I just poured a lot of green diamonds at once into the tray and it just took me out. I am officially exhausted. I think it's time to pack it up and visit it tomorrow. Bye bye, see you on day 3. I spent some more time on day 3 finishing this diamond painting and finally it's done. I'm finally finished with this painting, my first diamond painting. It looks so good. Oh my god, the shine when the light hits it, I just love it. I feel like these diamonds are not that shiny. I feel like they are opaque. I think I'm seeing diamonds that are like transparent and more shiny. Maybe it's just because I see it through the screen. I don't know. I think these are shiny but not that shiny. Now that we are done with the painting, I want to show you what are all the things that are left out from this art kit. So obviously we have the pen and the tray, but the diamonds, there are so many diamonds left out. Obviously the wax is left over. I don't know if I can use the wax in anything else other than diamond painting. But these diamonds, I hope I can include them in any of my artworks in the future. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's do a DIY frame for our diamond painting. First step is to measure the painting, and I took a flat cardboard box and cut it out as per measurement. I tried to do a cool transition. Did it work, guys? What do you think? Then I took a transparent plastic sheet, I think it's called a cellophane sheet, and in the midst of this I broke my scale. Now I'm sticking the transparent sheet to the back of this frame, I mean the cardboard box. I used masking tape and a lot of it. Now I placed the painting and figured out a proper placement for it. And I didn't want to put any tape on the painting itself. Even though I think it would be okay, I just added another piece of cardboard and taped it all together. And that's it, our frame is ready. Since it's made of a cardboard box, we can use the edge of it to hang the painting as well. So it's a win-win. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.